When it comes to upgrading homes in Dallas, energy-efficient window replacements are one of the most impactful improvements you can make. With scorching summers, mild winters, and a fluctuating climate, homeowners in Dallas require windows that offer optimal insulation, energy savings, and year-round comfort. In this guide, we'll explore energy-efficient window options, their benefits, and what Dallas homeowners should look for when replacing their windows. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Dallas. Dallas is known for its sweltering heat during the summer months, with temperatures often climbing past 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Energy-efficient windows help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler and less reliant on air conditioning. In winter, they minimize heat loss, enhancing comfort and lowering heating costs. Overall, they can cut energy bills by up to 30%, which translates into significant savings over time. Beyond energy savings, these windows can improve noise reduction and increase home value. Key features to look for in energy-efficient windows: low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are a must for energy-efficient windows in Dallas. This invisible coating minimizes heat transfer while allowing natural light to pass through. In summer, low-E coatings reflect infrared light, keeping interiors cool, and in winter, they retain indoor heat. This technology provides consistent temperatures, reduces glare, and can protect your furniture from UV fading. Double or triple pane windows. Multi-pane windows, typically double or triple pane, enhance insulation by trapping air or inert gases, like argon, between the panes. This creates an effective barrier that minimizes heat gain or loss. In Dallas, double pane windows are often sufficient, though triple pane options provide even better energy efficiency for maximum savings. Gas fills. Windows with argon or krypton gas fills between panes offer superior insulation. These gases are denser than air and reduce heat transfer more effectively. For Dallas homes, argon is an affordable and highly effective choice that complements low-E coatings and multi-pane designs. Insulated window frames. The frame material plays a critical role in energy efficiency. Vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and composite frames offer varying degrees of insulation. Vinyl frames are affordable, low maintenance, and resistant to heat transfer, making them a popular choice in Dallas. Wood frames, though more traditional, are highly effective insulators but require more maintenance. Composite and fiberglass frames offer a balance of strength, durability, and thermal performance. Energy Star certification. Look for Energy Star certified windows to ensure you're getting energy-efficient products. Windows with this certification meet stringent criteria for energy performance set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Dallas homeowners will benefit from windows specifically tailored for hot climates, minimizing cooling costs during the long summer months. Popular window styles for Dallas homes. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward like a door, offering excellent ventilation. They create a tight seal when closed, which helps with energy efficiency, especially during Dallas's hotter months. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are highly versatile, with two operable sashes that move up and down. Their design allows for better airflow and makes cleaning easier, making them a practical and energy-efficient option. Picture windows. Fixed, non-operable picture windows provide unobstructed views and great energy efficiency, as they don't have gaps that could lead to air leaks. They're an ideal choice for homeowners who prioritize light and energy savings. Sliding windows. Sliding windows open horizontally, offering ease of use and reliable performance. Their tight seals help minimize air leakage, making them an excellent choice for energy-conscious Dallas homeowners. Tips for choosing energy-efficient windows. Assess your home's needs. Consider factors like sun exposure, window orientation, and aesthetic preferences. Work with a certified installer. Proper installation is key to maximizing the performance of energy-efficient windows. Consider rebates and incentives. Check for local utility rebates or federal tax credits for energy-efficient upgrades. The bottom line: investing in energy-efficient window replacements is a smart decision for Dallas homeowners looking to reduce energy costs, increase comfort, and boost home value. By selecting the right features, styles, and professional installation, you can transform your home's energy performance, making it a more comfortable and eco-friendly place to live.